Hi, this is Dave for Expert Village. Today we're going to be making some Cajun Shepherd Pie. Alright, so now we've got our partially cooked shepherd's pie out of the oven. What we want to do now is take these wonderful drippings, we want to put them into the saute pan and just put them right in there. You can see how good that looks already, but we want to put all of that great juices that are already in there from the pork and the beef and the vegetables. We want to put it right in there into a hot skillet. And this is where we want to put our onions and carrots and zucchini and yellow squash that we julienne, because these are going to end up going right on top. With that sizzle. Now those are those nice juices that you're cooking these with. We're also going to add the seasoning mix to this. That's the bowl side. The seasoning mix we just made will go right on top and sprinkle it around to evenly distributed. And again, you can make this as spicy or as mild as you like. Put that aside. Just sort of move these around. And this is going to take probably about 5 to 10 minutes to get really nice and soft.